Generally, an expert is called to cut glass. At the same time, cutting glass is a handy skill that isn't difficult to pick up. Follow these simple steps to cut standard window glass. Step 1. Put on the safety glasses and gloves. Step 2. Lay the glass sheet on a padded surface, preferably one that is slightly soft and won't scratch your glass. Soft cardboard is an ideal choice. Step 3. Clean the glass surface along where you plan to cut. Any grime on the glass can ruin your score. Run a cloth along the surface of the glass. Step 4. Measure and mark the glass where you want to score. Leave about 6 inches of glass on each side to grip and break. Use a marker and a straight edge to draw the cutting line. You can also mark on paper and place the glass on top of the paper. Step 5. Dip the cutter in the cutting oil and grasp it like a pencil. Use the straight edge as a guide and score the glass in one even sweeping motion. If you score the glass properly, you'll hear a very pleasant sound like ripping silk. If you see little flakes of glass flying into the air or hear a gritty sound, means that you are pushing too hard or that you did not oil your cutter. Step 6. Run the cutter smoothly from one edge to the other. Ensure the scored line runs completely from one edge to the other. Step 7. After you've scored, go right ahead and snap the piece into two. Grasp the glass from each side of the scored line and snap the glass. Do not apply too much pressure. Step 8. Use fine sandpaper or a sharpening stone to remove the sharp edges. Take a look at the steps to cut glass again.